Hello friends. In this video we learn how to speak English fast and easy with a simple daily life story. Lost phone at the cafe. The story uses very short sentences and common daily words. You can read, listen, and repeat after me. This will help you speak good English, speak fast English, and speak with confidence. Let's start and enjoy learning English. Step by step.
I walked into a cafe. The cafe was bright. Soft music played. I smiled. I wanted coffee. I sat at a small table. I put my phone on the table. The waiter smiled. I took out my notebook. I wrote some notes. I sipped my drink. The cafe was busy.
People talked, chairs moved, cups clinked. I checked my bag.
I have a new passport. The phone was not there. I looked on the table. The phone was gone. My heart beat fast. Where was my phone? I stood up.
I looked around. I checked the floor. Nothing. I asked the waiter, "Did you see my phone?" The waiter shook his head. "No, I didn't." I asked the woman near me, "Sorry, did you see a phone?" She said, "No, sorry." I felt worried. I felt sad. My phone was my friend. My phone had my photos. My phone had my notes. My phone had my life. Then, a young boy walked in. He held a phone. He looked around. He asked, "Did someone lose this?" I looked. Yes, it was my phone. I ran to him. "That's mine," I said. He smiled. He gave it back. I said, "Thank you so much." He said, "I found it outside." I felt so happy. I felt safe. I held my phone tight. I sat again. I finished my coffee. I learned a lesson. Always keep things safe. Always check before leaving. I walked out. I smiled again. The day was bright. The cafe was warm, and I had my phone. I held my phone. I held my phone tight. I put it back in my bag. This time I closed the zip. I did not want to lose it again. The waiter came back. He smiled and said, "Are you okay now?" I nodded. "Yes, I'm fine now." He laughed a little. "Phones are like family," he said. I laughed too. "Yes, my phone is like my baby." The woman at the next table smiled. She said, "Don't worry. We all lose things sometimes." I smiled back. Her words felt kind. I took another sip of my latte. It was warm. It was sweet. I felt calm again. I looked out the window. People walked fast. Some people laughed. Some people laughed. Some people looked tired. Life moved outside. The cafe felt safe. The cafe felt soft. Nadamu. I liked the sound. Then my phone rang. It buzzed in my bag. I pulled it out quickly. It was my friend calling. I answered. "Hello, Sarah." She said, "Hey, where are you?" I said, "I'm at the cafe." Enten we've kun. Ni for me. I smiled. I put the phone down. I was happy. Soon I would not be alone. After 10 minutes Sarah came. She opened the door. She waved at me. I waved back. She sat down. She said, "You look fresh." I said, "You look busy." We both laughed. I told her the story. "I lost my phone here." Her eyes grew wide. "Oh no. Really?" "Yes," I said. "But a boy brought it back." Sarah smiled. "That was lucky." "Yes," I said. "Very lucky." We ordered cake. The waiter brought 2 plates. One was chocolate. One was vanilla. We shared both. We talked about life. We talked about work. We talked about plans. Time moved fast. I felt better. I felt light. The lost phone story became funny. Sarah laughed. Again and again. She said, "Next time, keep your phone in your hand." I said, "Or maybe tie it to my wrist." We both laughed loudly. People in the cafe looked at us, but we didn't care. We were happy. We were free. I thought about the lesson. Life is small. Things can go, but kindness stays. The boy who brought my phone. He gave me hope. He gave me trust. The world still has good people. I looked at Sarah. She smiled. She said, "Coffee makes everything better." I agreed. Yes, and friends too. We finished our cake. We finished our drinks. We packed our bags. We got ready to go. I checked my bag again. My phone was still there. Safe, warm, mine. We left the cafe. The sun was soft. The air was cool. We walked slowly. We felt light. I said, "Today was scary but good." Sarah said, "Yes, every day teaches something." I smiled. I held my phone again. I whispered to myself, "Never lose you again."